Oh, it's back out. It's back. She smells good. You see how bad he's shaking?
He is like physically shaking.
Malachi! Oh gosh!
He's scared. Maybe we should get the turtle away from him. He's gonna have
It's a
an
turtle, Malachi.
He's gonna have an
Let's go
accident.
with Angel next. Let's see what she does.
No.
He's like physically shaking.
Like, go away from him.
No.
Why not?
Because Malachi thinks that's his toy. I already saw him eyeball Angel twice.
Either that or he just.
So he's like, I'll just let go of this.
He's like, dude, I will so bite your nose off if you get any closer.
How come it's moving so fast now and he knows the dog?
Because he's on defense now. He's like, dude, I will fucking. Haven't you heard him hiss?
Have you
Yeah, I heard
ever
him
a
hissing.
turtle? I've seen a turtle kill a mouse.
It's like, get away from me, dude. Yeah, look.
No, Malachi!
He ain't gonna get that turtle. That turtle's quicker than he is.
Look at him.
Oh, he
He's
just
drooling!
drooled. He just drooled.
He's drooling!
No, guys! I'm gonna bite you. Keep a distance.